What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Brens Fishing Live. Today we're back at Willow Beach. You know, I gotta come here as often as I can because I love it so much. But today it is a weekday and it is a school day. Drop the kids off, so we're out here a little bit later. The goal for today is catch one, of course. Catch one daytime fish would be awesome. In fact, I don't think I'm gonna leave until I catch one. I think we'll see how it goes, but that's how it is. I got technically 4 cameras. I got one in front, one in my head, got one behind me, and I also got the Go Fish cam with me today. So we'll see maybe if we can get some awesome angles, maybe get some underwater fish, and maybe even get an underwater bite on camera. So see how it goes. I'm gonna make my way downriver today and get the lines out and see how we do. So check back with you guys in a second. Oh yeah, we're hooked up, guys. It's very windy. Oh, we are hooked up. He's on the top of the water and he is wrapped up. But I got one, guys. It's about 11 a.m. Midday fish. It doesn't feel like a big one, but he feels like he's wrapped up. We're gonna get him in before the wind blows me up in the shore because it is very, very windy today. Whoo! Oh boy. All right. Before I get too much more tangled up, I'm gonna leave him here. I'm gonna get this rod going. Whew. All right, buddy, let's get you out. Oh, what a nightmare. So windy. All right, let's get him up on the boat. Just for now, bud. We'll get you out. All right, guys, there he is. I'd say this is maybe a 6-pounder, definitely a very small one. Call this a shaker, and he's going back in the water. This would be perfect if you're keeping him. This is the size right here, 6, 7, up to 10 pounds. Over 10, we throw them back. So I'm not keeping any fish. We're gonna throw them back anyways. And appreciate you, buddy. Woo! Got one. Got that on film too, baby. Got one more. Trying to make it so he doesn't get caught up in my other line. I had a feeling I was gonna get bit right there. Just keeping tension the whole time. Woo! Got him on the swim bait. Super windy, so it's kind of hard to cast a swim bait. I decided to troll the swim bait, and worked out. Some days are better for casting, guys. Today is not the day. But I got these baits and I want to use them, so they're not going to sit in my tackle box. Pay good money for these baits. Oh, it's a small guy, another small guy. Another little shaker. All right, second fish in the bag, another little guy. This time of the year, just a lot of small guys are coming up river. Spawning season, all the small guys want some action, so here he is. Look at that thing, he's small. He's like maybe a 5-pounder. I ain't bothering weighing these ones, we can guess. Uh-oh. We got a floater. Oh, there he goes. Let's try to get on some more. I think I'm gonna catch some more in this area, so we'll keep at it. I also want to put the Go Fish Cam on here soon. As soon as we start turning around and heading back, I'll put the Go Fish Cam out on the way back. Going into the rough stuff here, guys. Oh yeah, hooked up again, baby. Hooked up again. Uh-oh. This one might be a little bigger size. Feels bigger. Stoked. Swimming to the kayak. Third fish of the day. Gotta get him in the boat. Alright, we're almost straight up and down now. Come on up to Papa. Come on up to Papa. Come on up to Papa. Oh. He's only got one hook in him, guys. It's gonna be clutch. Gonna have to be clutch here. Woo! Third fish of the day in the bag, baby. Yes. Coming in strong now, guys. Alright, this is definitely a bigger one. the biggest one I caught out of the 3 today. So we're gonna get them away super fast and then we'll put them back. I don't know if you can see that. That says 1141. 1141. I got me 1 over 10 after all. Well, he gone. Yeah, no issues getting out. 3rd fish of the day. I'm 3 for 3. I haven't been 3 for 3 in a while. So I'm gonna go up a little bit further and see if I can grab one more before I turn around. I had already had plans to go right down there, so I'm gonna go there and then I'm gonna head down over to the cove, take a little break, eat some food, change the batteries out, and then right back out. We're gonna actually be heading back upriver on our way back. So see how we do, guys. Guys, I just threw this plug out to begin trolling it, and one just came out of nowhere and just nailed it. I didn't even do anything yet. Whoo! Oh boy, this is crazy. There must be a little pack right here. Let's see if I can get some underwater footage for you guys. He's taking this straight down. He probably has so much energy. All right, let's see what this looks like. Oh, he's taking me down. Came up and killed it. That was nuts. What are the chances I throw it out, right back out? I didn't even get a chance to even go anywhere. Crazy. There's a whole pack right here. Yeah, there's a whole pack right here. Alright, there he goes, guys. I'm gonna go old school. That's taking too much time. The old school status. Gotcha, buddy. Gotcha, buddy. That was nutty. That was nutty, guys. This guy is out of his mind. Alright. Oh, he's got some sharp spines. Fish number 4. This is maybe a 7-pounder or so. Maybe 8. Woohoo!
Alright guys, so after that 4th fish, I decided it was time to head in and grab some lunch. You can see me heading into the cove there. Once I got to that point, I decided to stop and reel in my line, and as I was reeling in, I managed to hook up one more time. Unfortunately, the battery died, so I'll show you the fish afterwards.
Alright guys, well, as all my batteries died and I was heading into the cove to get some lunch, I hooked up on fish number 5 and I got him in the net. As you can see, got him on the Garcia triple once again. I believe that's my 4th fish on this lure. I caught one on the depths glide bait, but man, I am stoked. All right. There he is. Fish number 5. I got no other camera, so head cam will do. See ya. Keep going.
Alright guys, so after getting some lunch and resting up a little bit, I decided it was time to head back, and on the way back I got some Go Fish cam footage. Got the camera out, and I wanted to see if I could find any in the area, at least some that would be interested. And with the wind blowing me upriver pretty fast, it's really difficult to control the speed, and I end up going a lot faster than I want to. So let's check out what I got. Alright, we're going to start off by showing you guys what you do not want to happen. So I'm obviously going too fast here. You can tell by the fact that it's diving really deep and it's just stiff. You just have the tail wagging. That's not going to be enough to trigger these fish. So if your plug is, if you're going too fast and it's diving like this deep, this is what it's doing, and the chances are you're not going to catch anything like this, guys. So slow it down a little bit, and hopefully this helps you out, gets you on some fish as well. So I did get a couple fish on the Go Fish cam. We'll check it out right now. I was obviously, you can tell I'm going way too fast. And then I also found some footage of what looks like a cormorant going after the plug also. That would have been bad.
Alrighty guys, wanted to do a little cove where it's not as windy, but we are done. I didn't catch any fish on the way back, but man, I caught 5 fish total today, and I am stoked. Caught 4 on this one right here, the Garcia triple. Stuck to me with these hooks. And I got one with the swim bait, the Depths slide swimmer. So I've been getting a lot of people asking where you can get your Garcia plugs. I leave Tony Garcia's information in the description of every Willow Beach video, or any video that has his lures. You're gonna find his information in the description, so make sure that you check out and contact Mr. Tony Garcia so you can go ahead and get yourself one of these awesome trout plugs, triple trout plugs, or whatever one you decide you want to use. And then real quick guys, if you guys want to support the channel, the best way that you can support the channel besides watching the videos, and if you guys like the videos, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. It helps out so much guys. It helps with YouTube pushing your videos out to other people, and that way we can get more eyeballs on these videos. So thank you guys so much for watching once again, and that's a wrap on another Willow Beach episode. Got myself some day fish, 5 day fish to be exact, and we're headed in. Launch is right there and all done. So thank you guys. See you guys next time.